Hey everybody, it's Hari Swaminathan. Wanted to give the next installment of the Swing Trade Max Room. This is for the month of February. Today is Feb 13th, and then we have a 3 day weekend coming up. So we started Monday, Feb 2nd. Got in on some Baba calls here, and just gonna go a little slow. Then got into some Google right here. Google is up 40%, 45%, and close to 50%. So we closed it at 45%. So that was a $3,000 profit on 10 contracts. So that was Google there. And then the next trade seems to be Iron Condor on CMG. This was an earnings play, and we put the Iron Condor, and I think it did very well, and we got almost 80%. Yeah, we got almost 80% of the max profit on that Iron Condor. And then we got into some Facebook. Facebook was up 30%, and also getting into some Netflix calls here, 460 calls. This is after the earnings. We took the Netflix trade. We doubled down. Netflix actually was a little challenging, and we were down about close to 40% at one point, but we were able to adjust out of it, and and you can see here's the adjustment that I was thinking there, and we adjusted out of it, and we ended up actually being about 20-25% up. So this is a trade we turned around in about 3-4 days, and we turned it around. So that's as far as the Netflix trade, and then we converted Google into a debit spread as an adjustment. And as we go further, then on Wednesday, Feb 4th, let's see, what did we do on Wednesday, Feb 4th? Not much, just a lot of discussions here. We combined the two rooms into one. Alibaba also, we converted it into a spread. So I think Wednesday was spent making some adjustments to the positions, to the existing positions. I think that's all we did. Then Thursday, Feb 5th, let's see, yeah, the jobs number was pretty good. What trade did we take on Thursday? Okay, so the bull put for Google, I believe, that is close to max profit. So we took that off. All right, got into Facebook again, and then now I believe Netflix calls were also up. Yep, we exited at 30%, I believe, on Netflix, and I think that was it probably for that day. And if we go down further, not much there. Just a lot of discussions. I believe a couple of days the markets were not giving us decent signals, so we were just simply, adjusting any existing positions if required, and or else just, then we got into on Monday we got into Amazon 375 calls. Amazon actually was a very good trade, and I believe within an hour or two we were up. Yeah, right here Amazon is up 25%, up 30%, which was about $1,400 on 10 contracts. So I we closed it off over there. Amazon was a very good trade. And then we closed off the Netflix also, was about, I believe we closed it at about 20-25%. And then this week, what we did, and let's see, we had some good trades. We had a Netflix Iron Condor, which we had adjusted, and I believe that also did well. Then after that, we got into LinkedIn. LinkedIn is up, 20%. And so we closed that. Netflix day trade was up about 32%, and so we closed that as well. This is the trade we were talking about. This trade was down 40% about a few days ago, then turned it around to plus 22%. And then LinkedIn also, we exited right here, and then we got back into LinkedIn. We actually came back to break even on this trade by the end of the day. So I think we did double down, and then we gave it an opportunity to come back, and then we got out at break even, and some more discussions. A lot of discussions go on over here. So Okay, so we bought some Netflix calls again. Once this was on, I believe, Wednesday, Feb 11th. Some more Netflix. Yep, Netflix up 15%, but absolute value is 1250, 1500. So about 23% we got out with Netflix. That's on 10 contracts. LinkedIn 275 calls. I believe that was the one we came to break even. Amazon, we got in again. The 382.5 call got out at about 8 to 10% on that trade. Okay, then on Friday, let's see what did we do here? Okay, buying Facebook calls, 76 calls, and that we've converted it to a spread, and we're keeping it over the weekend. Then got into a Friday speculative trade, Tesla calls, and Tesla took us down a little bit. We doubled down and then we tripled down. Similarly, Gene puts a trade on CMG, and he actually ended up with a 400% profit on that. And then Tesla finally recovers, and we got out at 50% profit today. After that, did we do anything? I don't believe so. The market was very dull. So that's as far as the first 2 weeks of February. This is in the Swing Trade Max room. We've taken about, I would say, 8 or 9 trades. I believe out of that, out of the 8 or 9, all except one, we are carrying Baidu. Baidu had a bad earnings report, and we had carried a spread through the earnings, and now we are looking to reduce our cost basis and try to come out at break even. All right, folks, that's it for today. I hope you have a good long weekend. Thank you.